Join me as I delve into the captivating world of an ancient superfood that's making a modern-day resurgence, chia seeds. Once the chosen fuel of Aztec warriors, chia seeds were so valuable in Aztec society that they were often used as currency. They were also offered as a tribute to noble classes and priests. I'm eager to unveil the myriad of benefits hidden within these tiny treasures. Let's uncover the wonders of chia seeds together. Hi. I am Rob from Splaining Health. Every week I would like to share my medical knowledge.
1. Rich in nutrients. Chia seeds are a nutrient-dense food, meaning they provide a high amount of vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds relative to their caloric content. Just a couple of tablespoons can provide a significant portion of daily recommended values for several nutrients. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. They are a great source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Omega-3s play a crucial role in brain function and may reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 3. High in fiber. Chia seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which promotes digestive health, helps stabilize blood sugar levels, and can aid in weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness. 4. Bone health. Chia seeds are rich in several minerals that are vital for bone health, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. For individuals who don't consume dairy, chia seeds can be an alternative source of calcium. 5. Antioxidants. They are loaded with antioxidants, which help to protect the body against free radicals, oxidative stress, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 6. Heart health. The combination of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and certain proteins in chia seeds can be beneficial for heart health. They may help lower bad LDL cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and improve blood pressure. 7. Blood sugar control. Some studies suggest that chia seeds can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them potentially beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. 8. Weight management. Due to their high fiber content and ability to absorb water, chia seeds can help promote a feeling of fullness, which can reduce calorie intake and aid in weight management.
I am glad to have you here. Please do me the honor of subscribing and also consider sharing this video with your friends.
9. Anti-inflammatory properties. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds have anti-inflammatory effects, which can be beneficial in reducing inflammation in the body. 10. Improvement in skin and hair. The combination of nutrients in chia seeds, including omega-3s and antioxidants, can be beneficial for skin health, possibly leading to healthier skin and hair. 11. Hydration and electrolyte balance. Due to their ability to absorb up to 10 to 12 times their weight in water, chia seeds can prolong hydration and help retain electrolyte balance, especially during exertion or hot weather. 12. Support digestive health. The soluble fiber in chia seeds aids in promoting healthy gut flora, which is essential for digestion. This fiber also helps in the formation of soft, bulky stools, potentially preventing constipation. 13. Enhance immunity. The array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants found in chia seeds can help strengthen the immune system, making the body better equipped to fend off infections. 14. Promote healthy teeth. Chia seeds are rich in calcium, a mineral essential for maintaining healthy teeth. Moreover, the phosphorus in chia seeds supports tooth enamel. 15. Plant-based protein source. For vegetarians, vegans, or those looking to reduce meat consumption, chia seeds offer a plant-based protein source. Protein is vital for muscle repair, growth, and overall body function. 16. Mood and brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids have been linked to improvements in mood and brain health. Regular consumption of chia seeds may help in reducing the risk of depression and improve overall brain function. 17. Support eye health. While they are not as rich in omega-3s as fish oil, the ALA in chia seeds can be converted into eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, which are crucial for eye health. 18. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Consuming chia seeds as part of a balanced diet can potentially reduce the risk of developing various chronic diseases, including heart disease, due to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. 19. Culinary versatility. While not strictly a health benefit, the versatility of chia seeds in the kitchen allows them to be easily incorporated into a wide variety of dishes, ensuring one can reap their benefits without monotony.
Chia seeds truly are nature's tiny powerhouses, packed with benefits that boost our health in big ways. Embrace the magic of these seeds. See you next week.